Hi, everybody. It is the 8th of August, 2026, and Never Lose Truth has been terminated. Copyright strike. The 3 copyright strikes that I received do not make any sense at all. Here. This one was Storyful. Storyful that hit me with a copyright strike on a video that I reposted from Twitter, and there was no Storyful mark on it. They did not have exclusive representation of that video when I posted it, but then they received that exclusive representation and they hit me with a copyright strike. The other one today, or yesterday, was on a video 3 weeks ago posted by Revenge of Nature. Now, I've been posting for years Revenge of Nature and a whole lot, a slew of channels that post compilations of weather events taken from either TikTok or Twitter or wherever. The compilations are many in these videos, and I don't think that they're getting permission to post all of the videos that they have in their compilations. But what is really strange is that this was a copyright strike on a video weeks ago, and I don't understand why, because I've posted Revenge of Nature. I have posted segments of their videos. Never, ever has there been a problem for years until today. And the other one was a mainstream media segment on this cat who they had developed a tiny wheelchair for the cat. This is Local 12 News, apparently owned by Sinclair, and they hit me with a copyright strike. Now, mainstream media has always essentially been fair use. It's no longer fair use. So I'm also posting this video to alert people, if you post videos that, let's say here, that has that Storyful, it doesn't matter if it's ABC, it doesn't matter if it is fair use, it doesn't matter. If it has Storyful, you may very well get a copyright strike, as I did. But I did when they did not have exclusive representation of the video. All right. Unfair? Yeah. Very unfair. I'm going to ask my subscribers if you can come over here, Revenge of Nature. They posted a video 2 days ago, and I actually left them a message asking them to please lift the copyright that they hit to my channel, which terminated my channel. I find it very strange. I find it very, very strange. I almost feel like maybe somebody contacted Revenge of Nature to get my channel taken down. I don't know, but it's never happened before. Now it's happening. Okay. I want to see if they have even a newer video. And let's see. They do. The volcano or Poland. Now, I posted segments of this video last night. They didn't hit me with a copyright strike. They hit me with one that was from July 26th, I believe the date was. Yes. So, if, you know, I don't want to burden anybody, but if you guys want to come and maybe post, a comment on my behalf asking Revenge of Nature to lift the copyright strike, I would really, really appreciate it. I this does not make sense. These channels just compile a whole lot of videos that people are leaving all over the place, and for them to strike out and give a copyright strike that terminates my channel, um, what are they doing? I don't get it. I don't get it. So, yeah, and this was the very cute video, Local 12 News, mainstream media news. 16 years of posting. Mainstream media was just not videos that you would get a copyright strike from, but I did. Okay. And this Storyful is really just, I looked into it. I've been making videos for YouTube for more than 10 years. My channels are not monetized. Recently, I received an email claiming to be from Storyful, which is in Dublin, Ireland. They also have other offices. It's owned by News Corp. What Storyful does is just grab a whole lot of videos that people post on TikTok, people post on Twitter and Instagram, and they notify the people that posted the video and claim that they're going to really increase their views if they could have exclusive representation. Now, if the exclusive representation is approved, then they hit people with copyright strikes. So be very careful, be very careful, be very mindful of, where these videos, even mainstream media, if they have Storyful, don't repost it. So here, the scam is the bad guys make a copyright claim against a creator, which happens to be this Alan, on YouTube. YouTube pulls the video, informs the creator of a copyright strike, and the bad guys send an email demanding 500 euros. Or they will not withdraw the copyright strike. That's exactly what they did to me. We can issue you a licensing fee for your use, then remove our claims. The cost is 500 euros per video. Per video. Okay. The sad thing is that my case falls within fair use. Yes, so did mine. And there was no copyright or watermark on the video, exactly like mine. I have never had a strike after posting over 400 videos. It's a scam, and I have reported them to the Dublin police. Okay. Another one, I recently had a troubling experience with Storyful regarding a YouTube short I uploaded. The video I used was publicly circulating online. Now, we all know if you post that, these videos on Twitter, these videos on Instagram and TikTok, and for years and years and years, people have been reposting their videos. Okay? Now suddenly Storyful hitting people with copyright? This is not okay. This is not okay. So the video I used was publicly circulating online. I created my own edited version with different audio and ensured it complied with YouTube's content policies before publishing. There was no visible watermark, logo, or ownership credit attached to the original clip. Despite this, Storyful issued a copyright claim on my video, and this is Mahendra Bogi. To prevent further complications, I voluntarily deleted the video, even though it included my original edits, and contacted them respectfully to resolve the issue and request removal of the strike. However, instead of a clear and transparent resolution process, I was asked to make payment in order to remove the claim. This felt highly inappropriate and concerning. If a company is asserting rights over publicly circulated content, there should be clear proof of ownership, transparent communication, a fair dispute process, pressuring creators for payment to resolve claims raises serious concerns. I would also urge YouTube to carefully review and monitor how copyright enforcement is being handled in such cases. They never do. They don't care. They never do. They don't care. Your channel just gets deleted. This is so, it's outrageous what is taking place. So content creators should exercise extreme caution and thoroughly verify rights before engaging in any agreement or posting. But there's a whole lot of people who post a video, then repost it to different platforms or the same post, same platform. And it's very hard with these very short, clips that are posted on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook or wherever. Very hard to determine who actually is the original creator of the clip, but it's kind of like it's just universally known that those are the videos that you can post. Be very careful though, because Storyful will hit you with a copyright strike after the fact, after you post it, and then after that they suddenly get exclusive representation. Then they hit you with a copyright strike. So it makes posting, a rather precarious job that you have. It's, you don't know. You don't know. So a clip you post, no watermark, nothing on it, and then Storyful claims its quasi ownership of the clip, then you get a copyright strike. Will YouTube do anything? By the way, now, I did contact Storyful, and yeah, they, yeah, we can issue you a licensing fee, no problem. Did I have any more captures? Yeah, it's really, my God, $500. That's how much they care about their representation. The $500 doesn't go to the video owner, it goes to Storyful. And there are more. Where is it? Here, Storyful puts a copyright claim on your live stream. Hang on for one sec. Storyful puts a copyright claim on your live stream that we've worked for years to prepare for and produce. How unbelievably unfair that they're claiming 56 seconds of our show is their content. It's not. And now we are unmonetized. A whole lot of people are suffering the consequences of fabulous Storyful. Has anybody dealt with a counter notification? It's a joke. This guy was also hit with, well, if you just pay up, we'll take off the copyright strike. What a scam they've got going. What a scam. And here, even on Google, Storyful. This is the company in Ireland. They don't respond to emails. I should have been paid 2 weeks ago for a video licensed 3 months prior. Still no response. So be very careful. If you have a clip somewhere, Storyful then contacts you claiming that they want exclusive representation and they will, increase your views and pay you money for it. A whole lot of people have been like, where's the money, Storyful? Still no response. So, and they contacted me for a story right around January 1st of this year. They said about 2 months ago, they owed me over $1,000 USD, United States dollars. They said I'd get paid in March. Then they said that they tried to pay me, but PayPal wasn't set up right. PayPal says there's no problems with my account. I'm still looking for evidence that they even tried to pay me. Now they keep on saying I'll get paid next month. And then again, next month. It's 83 days and they still haven't paid this person. So yeah, and Storyful, by the way, 8 years ago, The Guardian wrote an article about Storyful spying on journalists, News Corps subsidiary, verification. They have a verification, verify, right? So once people hook into verify, they had a software that could monitor journalists personally and professionally, everything that they were looking at on the internet. So it's not a good company, and it's really leaving people to, yep. But Revenge of Nature, something is really very strange with this. Very strange. These channels that make the compilations of weather, years I've been posting. I've been recommending, my subscribers to subscribe to them to keep up with what's happening with the weather. And they hit me with a copyright strike. Well, I hate to ask, but if you're willing, if you come over and maybe place a comment, to get back my channel, I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. And if you do, don't come over and leave a mean comment or a comment with obscenities or anything like that. Just simply say, Never Lose Truth I was a subscriber of Never Lose Truth, and I would really appreciate you lifting the copyright so that we can get back to, watching Never Lose Truth. And I'm going to leave the link to this video of Revenge of Nature, but also, another video here. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Yeah, so Never Lose Truth 5. And all of these, I don't understand these copyright strikes. So mainstream media, Revenge of Nature, Storyful on a video. That Storyful had no ownership, no exclusive representation over at all. So here we are, and here I am, and I hope to see you later on Never Lose Truth 5. Thanks, guys. Links are below.